Welcome to this Pride of Dakota feature. There is no question that North Dakota is a significant player in the energy industry, whether it be oil, coal gasification, or wind energy. These industries require contractors to provide routine maintenance and cleaning, and those contractors are in constant need of materials and equipment to get their job done cost efficiently and in an effective manner. In this episode, we'll visit with Russell Rod of Abrasives Inc. about their products that help support these contractors and are made from byproducts right here in North Dakota. Abrasives Inc. is located in Glen Ellyn, North Dakota, and manufactures Black Magic, Dakota Gold, and distributes Clemco blasting equipment. These products help maintain and sustain the energy industry in North Dakota using recycled products from our own state. Joining us is Russell Rod. Russell, welcome.
Thank you. Good to be here.
So let's start with your company. You are an employee-owned company, correct?
Correct.
So what does that mean?
That means that our employees have a ownership in the company over a base of period of time.
Okay.
And they get to contribute their own blood, sweat, and tears into the company and get rewarded similar to like a 401k plan.
Okay, so you purchased this company a while ago from another company and then turned it into, it's called an ESOP?
It's called an ESOP, Employee Stock Ownership Plan.
Okay.
And it's similar to a 401k, like I said before, where over a vesting period, the employees get a chance to gain stock over a number of years, and then as they retire, it's a retirement plan.
Sure. So they have a vested interest in seeing this company grow.
Absolutely.
Well, you manufacture Black Magic. I want to talk a little bit about that because it's one of your biggest products, right? And
Correct.
So tell me a little bit more about Black Magic.
Black Magic is derived from one of the power plants here in North Dakota, central North Dakota. And we take the raw product and then process it into a blasting material used mostly in steel prep.
Okay.
There's various other uses, i.e. in sand traps in one of the local golf courses here in Bismarck.
Okay. Over at Hawktree.
Hawktree, correct.
So that is the dreaded sand material that I have ended up in several times.
Stay out of the Black Beach then.
So you're basically taking a byproduct that would normally end up in landfills, right? I mean, you're taking this, it's a coal slag, and you're turning it into something then that helps support these contractors that go out and maintain this equipment, right?
Yes, it would normally be a waste going back into the coal mine,
Yep.
and they would have to bury it. And what we've done is taken it and processed it into a usable material, inert product,
Yeah.
non-hazardous, and it achieves very significant results for the blasting industry.
And how is it used in the blasting industry? Can you describe a little bit about how it preps steel and cleans
So
equipment?
you have a couple various steel. You've got something that would be virgin steel where it has a film on it, and that would be a mill scale. It's used to remove mill scale and give a profile. A profile allows for the paint adhesion to happen on metal.
Okay.
And so it's little dimples on the steel that allows for that paint to stick.
Okay.
And then you may have rust or other painted steel that has to be
Prepped.
repainted. So you're prepping that to get back to that same profile down to the bare metal to allow for the paint adhesion.
So it's really kind of a coming full circle, using the product that comes from these equipment then to sometimes go back in and help clean the same equipment.
Yes, absolutely. Like all these oil tanks and grain bins that have to be, they look dirty after so much time, then they get repainted.
Perfect. And so these contractors are picking up this equipment to use in their blasting equipment and use in their, it's not sandblasting anymore, but it's a blasting process, right?
Correct.
And then you also distribute the Clemco blasting equipment and parts for these contractors as well. Tell me a little bit about that.
We've connected with Clemco Industries to distribute their blast pots and equipment parts, and we're starting to service North Dakota, South Dakota, Montana, even into southern Canada. And the two go hand in hand. Having blast equipment and blast material, we're helping customers figure out what they may need,
Sure.
or as they're using the incorrect parts, we're helping them become more efficient along the way.
And that becomes cost effective over the long haul too, because you can provide both for them.
Absolutely. And, gains more trust from our customer that we're helping them in the right way.
And Clemco is probably one of the larger...
Clemco is the largest manufacturer of blast equipment and machines. They make anything from your small 25-pound pot up to big blast rooms that you can pull a semi-truck and trailer through.
So you're almost a one-stop shop for a lot of these contractors then. I mean, you can really provide them with a lot of product and service.
Absolutely.
So if someone's interested in learning more about your company or getting in contact with you to do some work with you, what is the best way to get a hold of you? Let's talk about websites, emails, phone numbers, whatever that.
Our website is www.abrasivesinc.com. Our 800 number, 800-584-7524.
Okay.
You may reach us by email, silica and slag. That's SILICANSLAG.com. Or you can reach us on our regular phone number here in North Dakota, 701-348-3610.
Fantastic. Russell, thank you so much for stopping by the studio and visiting with us for a few minutes.
Thank you for the time.
For more information on this Pride of Dakota featured member, or to find other feature podcast episodes, visit our website at prideofdakota.com or join the conversation at facebook.com/prideofdakota.